Do you know how she got the advantage? When she started, she twisted her wrist this way, which gives her more leverage. Over here at the Sugar Shack. It's actually going to be a nice day. The Sugar Shack's, it's a cold sandwiches, hot sandwiches, and pizza joint. I got me a pizza where I ruined the pizza with jalapeno peppers, bell peppers, pineapple, and Italian sausage. Check, make sure both ways are clear. And I want to go up to our little place and get changed because it's really hot wearing Boone's outfit. And yeah, so I'll up here to the Palmer Loft. Fancy, fancy. Sunflower Extreme.
Sometimes I'm surprised cops aren't called all this morning.
I was always like the best one.
God damn it.
You know, Mel is right. The Wallows are pretty light as bright.
What?
Bright. The Wallows are pretty bright.
Well, those ain't correct either.
I'm a little radar slut.
Huh? Yeah, I've had this on. Oh, you were at Napa. You probably didn't see him when I was trying to run you over.
Probably.
Did that guy seem pissed?
Dude, he was very pissed because he said, I got that dude's license plate. I have it on dash cam. He was trying to aggravate assault. I'm like, that's my bro. I said, that's my bro. And he's like, he was freaking out. He's like, I thought you were going to die. I'm like, man, it's not the first time. I almost got hit by a train before.
I thought it was funny, and then I saw him stop, and you point at me, and I was like, oh no, it was him.
It was him. I was just trying to wave him through.
This is Morgan, everybody.
Howdy.
When I used to work that shit. Yeah, for now.
It won't go any farther.
I forgot my razor. It's a little ticklish.
Come on. So you gotta be nice.
We brought alcohol. Where are we partying? Are we partying in the motel?
Yeah.
No, okay. We're taking right here. Cool.
I am still recording this, and I got you saying
Cool
lump.
audio.
I know. How do you know?
What are y'all selling? Where's your shit?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yep.
New movie any good?
Yeah.
All depends if you like to watch it. You should watch it and make your own decision. It's not bad though.
You got DVD I can watch?
Not with us, no. Did
No.
they come out with the DVDs already yet?
Yeah,
I think it's
they
digital
did.
download.
Now it's all digital.
Going to Waukeeta tomorrow?
Yep.
Yep.
It's our celebration over there.
Yeah.
Yep.
I live there.
Oh.
Oh, you live in Waukeeta?
Oh
Oh,
God.
did you?
I just wondered what.
Well, that was cool.
Now that I see, I know.
I was talking to him. I didn't even realize where I was going with that.
I am drunk.
Yeah.
Okay, you're coming back over here now. We're going to avoid the telephone wire.
The streetlights are still on. You're good.
Thankfully, I noticed there is actually it's not bare copper, so it's okay. I'm glad I was recording that too.
Funk.
It's in honor of Steve Mann, the city marshal killed in the line of duty, June 28th, 1925. So we're over here. You got the Medford Motel, Medford Water Tower. I think this cupcake's getting to me. Just a cupcake though. But they have this really amazing, it looks like a flat gun? I'm not too sure offhand. I'll get closer when I get to it. But they have dedicated to the pioneers, the homesteaders of land run into the Cherokee Outlet, part of which is Grant County, September 16th, 1893. So it's going to be their dedication here too, dedicated September 4th, 1978 by the Historical Society. Because they're all having a party and a shindig tonight. That's all. I'll walk over there later, but I think that's really cool, that big gun. Flak. Should walk closer to it. I only do want to look at that closer. You got the red and blue strobe lights in the window. But yeah, that's really neat. You know, being in here in this town a couple of times, and I've never even realized that until I just walked over there today. Because we're always at the motel on the other side of the county building. But that's really cool. Well, and then you have the Medford Motel, and there is like a little design on the, not to fly the drone up there, but that's really neat too. Alright, I'll get over there now and join them on their little shindig.
It's Leo.
It's me, Mario. It's me, Luigi.
Is it bad that I called
Luigi.
Plumbing Apprentice Luigi one time because he was pissing me off?
No?
I dropped a piece of 2x6 on him on accident, and he got pissed at me. I was like, fucking hit me with a pipe wrench then, Luigi. Shut the fuck up.
Well, you know my chef name is Chef Leoji, right?
Really?
Yeah. Because I always wear, as you know, I always wear overalls, and every damn video you see me is I'm in overalls.
Oh, they do YouTube videos, so there'll be a whole vlog on this, so you get to see the best moments.
Yeah, I walked up here recording right now.
I love that it's
It's a failure to communicate. We have a crisp sandwich here, and we have a crisp sandwich there. In the middle, we have a Zoe.
Yeah, 80. Yeah. Something with the Kremlin table.
And I got a cupcake. I still haven't ate.
Do a shot.
You want another peppermint shot?
Peppermint shot where?
Right here. You got pepper right here.
Schnapps?
Yeah.
Schnapps.
You want just a little bit or you want a lot?
I'll take a schnapps. A schnappy of a schnapp. I should have bought the shot glass at Wakita.
Do this?
That's not real.
You're in room 13. It's Friday the 13th. You know that, right?
Did it break?
That's not on GTA.
You broke the goddamn door.
That looks like a GTA picture. I shit you not. Does it not? No.
Did you put your key in?
Approximately that looks like a shot.
That looks like a shot to me. Thank you, sir.
Divorce.
Oh, man.
You followed me on YouTube. Subscribe.
You want me to get the break
I didn't know
club?
she had
Yeah.
one. That's
So
the one time-
I'll go back to the Medford Motel and get the break club.
I'm following you. I think.
Win.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, over
That's
to
exactly
Yep.
what I said.
When you put the video up, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right. Dan, why don't you scoot over here? You're like
Yeah, he's just like
You're-
down the
you're in like the kumbaya introvert.
land of Oz.
Dan's hiding in the shadows.
He's right here observing and hey, this ain't mine.
Hey, there's a gazebo on the other side of the courthouse. But yeah, if you look on the Medford, I think it's on the left-hand side when you walk towards that tank. There's a face on that tower. But you can't see it. It's facing east-west or north, walking south.
So it's that way.
Yeah, I'm gonna fly the drone.
To
and
the
fly it.
mountains. To the mountains.
Over there.
I see that thing.
It is right there. If you look, right there, see that right above the D and the start of the F, there's actually like a little cartoon thing up
That's a
there.
D in Medford?
Yeah, Med, MEDFORD. All right, we go down that alley and then you can. But we're literally one more block and then we're at the motel.
Well, yeah, I don't want to pee all the because I don't want to pee it up. I just want to.
You can sit down.
No.
Then you can go behind the back alley there. Because here it takes you right to the back of it. That's where the way I walked in. That way. You can walk this way too. A lot of this is abandoned looking anyways. Tucker wants to show up right at 6 in the morning.
Huh?
Yeah, he wants to show up right at 6 in the morning to wash the vehicle. And I says, well, I'll be there at 6 in the morning too. So we can both wash our vehicles. Because it's better to do it with friends. And then I'm going to the co-op tower and take pictures. And see if the sheriff comes up and says, hey boy, what are you doing here again? That's him taking pictures. See, here's the arm wrestling station.
Oh, yeah. And there's people here.
Well, yeah, Medford. Oh, fuck, dude, ow. I cut myself. Jesus. Did you take an allergy pill already?
I put 2 pills.
It's not good, dude. No, you don't need no more allergy pills. Especially if they're mixed with alcohol. You're allergic to something right here, maybe.
You need something inside?
Yes, I do. You doing okay? You're woefully. I've never seen you drunk, bro. All right. Oh, this side locked? Yeah, it's locked.
Still locked?